Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have come up with 27 MCQs from the recently concluded Tokyo Olympics, which is very important from any exam point of view. So let's get started. Question number 1. Saikhom Mirabai Chanu, women weightlifter, represented India in which category at Tokyo Olympics 2020? Option A 49 kilo, option B 55 kilo, option C 64 kilo. The correct answer is option A 49 kilo. Question number 2. Mirabai Chanu, women weightlifter, belongs to which state of India? Option A Nagaland, option B Haryana, and option C Manipur. The correct answer is option C Manipur. Moving on to question number 3. Which Indian athlete won medal in women's welterweight in Tokyo Olympics? Option A Lavlina Borgohain, option B Mary Kom, and option C Pooja Rani. The correct answer is option A Lavlina Borgohain. Question number 4. Lavlina Borgohain won bronze medal in women's welterweight in which category? Option A 65 to 70 kilo, option B 71 to 74 kilo, and option C 64 to 69 kilo. The correct answer is option C 64 to 69 kilo. Moving on to next question, Lavlina Borgohain, who won bronze medal in welterweight in Tokyo Olympics, hails from which state of India? Option A Manipur, option B Assam, and option C Meghalaya. The correct answer is option B Assam. Question number 6. Mirabai Chanu opened India's medal count at Tokyo Olympics by winning dash medal in dash match. The correct answer will be bronze medal in boxing. Mirabai Chanu opened India's medal count at Tokyo Olympics by winning bronze medal in boxing match. Question number 7. Lavlina Borgohain won bronze medal in women's welterweight playing against whom? Option A Nian Chin Chen from China, option B Nadine Apage from Germany, and option C Busanaj Surmaneli of Tokyo. The correct answer will be Nian Chin Chen from China. Moving on to question number 8. Which Indian athlete secured bronze medal in women's single badminton in Tokyo Olympics? Option A PV Sindhu, option B Sania Nehwal, and option C Jwala Gutta. The correct answer is option A PV Sindhu. Moving on to question number 9. Who is the first Indian woman and only the second Indian athlete to win two individual Olympic medals? Option A Sania Nehwal, option B PV Sindhu, option C Mary Kom. The correct answer is option B PV Sindhu. Question number 10. Indian hockey team won bronze medal playing against which country? Option A Germany, option B Japan, and option C China. The correct answer will be option A Germany. Question number 11. Indian hockey team won dash medal in men's hockey in Tokyo Olympics? Option A gold, option B silver, option C bronze. The correct answer will be option C bronze. Indian hockey team won bronze medal in men's hockey in Tokyo Olympics. Moving on to next question. Which Indian athlete won silver medal in men's 57 kilo freestyle wrestling in Tokyo Olympics? Option A Bajrang Punia, option B Ravi Kumar Dahiya, and option C Vinesh Fogart. The correct answer is option B Ravi Kumar Dahiya. Question number 13. PV Sindhu secured bronze medal in women's single badminton playing against which athlete? Option A He Bing Jiao from China, option B TY Tai from China, and option C Akane Yamaguchi from Japan. The correct answer is option A He Bing Jiao from China. PV Sindhu secured bronze medal in women's single badminton playing against He Bing Jiao from China. Question number 14. Which Indian wrestler man won bronze medal in 65 kilo wrestling in Tokyo Olympics? Option A Bajrang Punia, option B K Ravi, option C Deepak Punia. The correct answer is option A Bajrang Punia. Question number 15. Which Indian athlete won gold in Tokyo Olympics and in which sport? Option A Neeraj Chopra in javelin throw, option B PV Sindhu in badminton, option C Ravi Kumar Dahiya in wrestling. The correct answer is option A Neeraj Chopra in javelin throw. Question number 16. Neeraj Chopra threw dash to clinch the gold medal. Option A 86.23 meter, option B 87.58 meter, option C 87.32 meter. The correct answer is option B 87.58 meter. Neeraj Chopra threw 87.58 meter to clinch the gold medal. Question number 17. Who is the first Indian to win an individual gold medal in Olympics? Option A. Avinav Bindra, option B. Sania Nehwal, option C. PV Sindhu. The correct answer is option A. Avinav Bindra. Avinav Bindra is the first Indian to win an individual gold medal in Olympics. Question number 18. Who is the first Indian to win gold medal in track and field events and second Indian to win individual gold in Olympics? Option A. Neeraj Chopra, option B. Shivpal Singh, option C. Praveen Jadhav. The correct answer is option A. Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra is the first Indian to win gold medal in track and field events and second Indian to win individual gold in Olympics. Moving on to question number 19. Which Indian athlete had won first medal bronze in weightlifting in Olympics? Option A. Karnam Malleswari, option B. Chanu Shikham Mirabai, and option C. Satish Sivalingam. The correct answer is option A. Karnam Malleswari. Question number 20. Who is the first Indian to win two individual Olympic medals? Option A. Neeraj Chopra, option B. Sushil Kumar, option C. Sania Nehwal. The correct answer is option B. Sushil Kumar. Sushil Kumar is the first Indian to win two individual Olympic medals. Question number 21. What was the motto of Tokyo Olympics 2020? Option A. United by emotion. Option B. A new world. Option C. Inspire a generation. The correct answer is option A. United by emotion. Question number 22. How many nations participated in Tokyo Olympics 2020? The correct answer is option B. 205. All total 205 nations participated in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Moving on to question number 23. Tokyo Olympics 2020 comprised of how many events? Option A. 222 events in 33 sports. Option B. 337 events in 32 sports. And option C. 339 events in 33 sports. The correct answer is option C. 339 events in 33 sports. Question number 24. Which four games made their debut in Tokyo Olympics 2020? The correct answer is option A. Skateboarding, surfing, sport climbing and karate. These four games made their debut in 2020 Olympics. Question number 25. Which country secured highest medals in Tokyo Olympics 2020? The correct answer is United States of America. Moving on to question number 26. Which country secured highest gold medals in Tokyo Olympics 2020? Option A. USA, option B. Japan, option C. Germany. The correct answer is option A. USA. Moving on to the next question, question number 27. Who is the current president of International Olympic Committee IOC? Option A. Jonathan Taylor, option B. Thomas Bach, option C. John Coates. The correct answer is option B. Thomas Bach. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of my videos, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you once again.